guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. Today I have a book haul for you. I've been very good lately. I haven't been spending a ton of money on books. Actually, I think it's been some time since I did the last book haul where I actually bought things, right? I think I've been doing pretty good, but these are just a few books that I've been collected in the last month and a half or so, and they're just books that I couldn't resist really, so I went and bought them. So the first book that I'm going to show you is a used book. I got it at a really good price, and this was recommended to me a while back by one of my subscribers. I think it was Jeff Suarez. I think you're the one who recommended this book for me, and I've been intrigued by it because it's supposed to be the super scary book, and I've been wanting to read more horror books. The Amityville Horror is a true story by Jay Anson. I am so excited to have this book in my possession. I've had it for a little bit now, but I haven't read it yet because I am a baby, okay? I love horror, but it does scare me, especially if it is a true story, and I don't know, they just really scare me. So I only have time to read at night before I go to bed, and that is why I have not read this one, because I feel that this one is one that I should definitely read on my days off, in the middle of the day, when the sun is out bright and shining, and when there's people all around me. If you guys watched my wrap up for last month, you may have noticed that I fell in love with this book. It's a Spanish book, it's a Spanish author, and I didn't find the book in English. Anyways, the name of the book is Un Hijo, and it is by Alejandro Palomas. So I just loved that story so much that I went ahead and I purchased a couple more of his works so that I could see if I felt the same way with other books by this author, or if it was just that one book. You know, I just wanted to explore this author's work a little bit more. And the two books that I got is Una Madre, which it translates to a mother, and this is again by Alejandro Palomas. And I also got this one here, which is El Secreto de los Hoffman, and basically translates to The Secret of the Hoffman. And I actually think maybe this one has an English translated version. Hopefully they're very good, just as the first book that I read by this author. I'll let you know for sure once I read them, but I have pretty high expectations. The next two books that I got recently, one of them I already read, and I told you guys that I really enjoyed it, and that is Me Before You and After You by Jojo Moyes. I absolutely loved this first book. I really do hope to read the next book soon so that I could actually, you know, continue with the story. I bought these two books because the movie is coming out soon, and I just really wanted to get a feel of the story before watching the movie. And a friend of mine had already read this book, and now we're going to end up reading this book relatively soon together so that we can go and watch the movie once it comes out. Then I got a couple of poetry collections, one of them being by the amazing Jane Campbell. I love her channel. She's a booktuber. You must have heard of her or seen one of her videos at some point. She's awesome, and she has introduced me to a lot of different kinds of books. So I will definitely link her channel down below for you to check it out. I've been wanting to read some of her work because I know she does poetry and she's got a few books as well, but this one caught my attention and I decided to start with poetry. I actually already read it. I read it within like the first 10 minutes after I got it, and I loved it. I'll tell you more about it on my wrap up for this month. This one is called The Hungry Ghost Festival, again by Jane Campbell, and if you like poetry, you should totally give it a shot because it was beautiful poetry. And the last thing that I got this month is this little thing right here. It's called Coloring Books for Grown-Ups. This is by A.F. Borges, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced the name. But basically, I learned about this book because the author reached out to me on one of my video comments, and I decided to check him out, so I went into his Facebook account. He had some of his work displayed there, which I actually enjoyed quite a lot. So I decided to go ahead and purchase one of his works. This is the one he recommended I start with, and hopefully I do read it this month. And once I do, I will have a review up for you guys. But I thought it was a very cool idea because it's a poetry book that has coloring pages as well inside it. So I hope to enjoy this book as much as I enjoy the few samples that I read on his Facebook, or possibly even enjoy it more. Like I said, I would definitely let you know once I read it. If you're interested in some of the books that I mentioned today, I will have them listed down below so that you know what to look for. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!